Alright, here's a new rifle I acquired in the trade. It's a Texas based company called Motac, M-O-T-A-C. It's their upper and a Spike's tactical lower, and I like it. I've never had the whole long floating free float handguard, but it's pretty cool. I like it. Got me a little cheapo red dot for now. Gonna put some rounds to it, see how it handles. All right, we're hot. The recoil ain't too bad. I'm not sure what this muzzle brake's about. It's a flash hider or a compensator. But so far, I mean, doing pretty good. Trying to get a little bit warm. The free float, it's got the gas block is right here, one of those small ones. Well, let's see. So the skin, it's getting there though. I mean, it's only been 2 mags, but we'll see how it is with the heat after these next 2. Another thing that I wanted to do is I want to run steel case ammo, because a lot of these rifles are real picky about Tula and all kinds of crap. So I've only had one rifle that ate it all up, and it was a SIG M400. So far so good though. Here's a little quick mag dump. I mean, it's pretty lubed up right now, because when I barely got it, the gas block was just slightly off, so I was troubleshooting it. I over lubed it a little bit, but so far so good. It's running flawless. About 120 rounds of Tula, and I wanted to run about 500 rounds of ammo right now, but I gotta come back tomorrow with my brother-in-law. He wants me to take him shooting, so we're probably gonna check out that baby next. Anyways, yeah, man, Motac Solutions, not bad. The barrel's a 1-7 twist. Spikes lower. Not bad. I like it.